Saturday.
Hello.
Welcome to our PNW adventures today. On today's adventure, we are scouting out our climbing route to summit Mt St Helens.
A little bit
of it, because this is the part we'll be doing in the dark. Starting at like 4 or 5 a.m. Who knows?
Yeah. We're at 3,700 feet, going up to 48 or wherever the Lewitt Trail, and yeah, it's as far as up we can go without a climbing permit, which we have for October 2nd.
Yay.
So hopefully we can make it up there. But today, just easy 2 miles up and
1,000-foot climb,
900 feet, something like that. So let's go.
Yoshi.
Wow.
Hey guys, we're about a little over 1¼ miles in, I think. Ish. We still gotta go up there, I think.
So good.
Ooh, Dad, breaking the law.
Oh, we don't got a climbing permit. I went past the sign.
Wait.
So did you.
Oh, nope. Still got 9 more feet.
9 more feet.
9 more feet to break though. Or 10 more feet.
How's that?
5 more feet.
How's that?
I almost... Wait. Oh, we're breaking the law.
Oh, we over?
We're over.
Down, 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 down. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
Oh, that one.
Oh, it did so good.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job. Yay.
Yay.
Woo. So we have to go up there.
Yeah.
Up there.
There's markers.
Yep.
We gotta go right up there.
So you climb that ridge? Is that what?
Now we go over it.
It's time for some munchins. Alright guys, we made it to our stopping point, had a little munchins, and now it's time to head back down.
Yep.
This is a good little 2 mile, 1,000 foot climb.
Yep.
Definitely a good
Nice to scout this part of the trail off and what lies that way.
ahead.
So
Oh.
whatever.
Up.
It's fun. All right.
Now we gotta go down.
Up the movie.
Down.
Down.
Let's go. Good. What are you doing? Made it to the top.
And that's it for the Ptarmigan Trail.
We done.
2 miles up, 2 miles down,
1,000 feet.
1,099.
Something like that.
Oh, that's good.
Thanks for joining us today.
It's a good scouting adventure. Good
Yep.
to know the trail.
Yep.
Another big again.
Peace out.
Oh, okay. Deuces.
Bye.
We already got the blooper reel going on.
Bloop, bloop, bloop.
Is that poop again? Whoa.
How do you think you say that trail?
It's Ptarmigan. Ptarmigan.
Parmesan? It's like Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan.
Parmesan Trail to the junction.
Is there spaghetti at the top?
Oh
Parmesan
yes.
cheese?
Oh yes.
Parmesan?
To
the Louis. If we get
Ptar.
Yeah, it's only 4 miles to summit Mt St Helens,
Ptarmigan.
but you go at 4,000 feet in elevation.
Hey, we've done 1 mile and 1,000 feet before, so
True.
that's just 4 of them.
Watch out
was
for
that?
Scared me.
What was that, bro?
Thought it was just like a snake or something climbing up my leg.
Serpente attack.
Hi.
Yuck. So I was wrong. We're at 1.6 miles, not 1.25-ish. I guess that's why you say ish. It's a unit of measurement. Ish.
Whatever. We're on a mountain next to liquid hot magma.
Well, it's not liquidy hot anymore.
It's cold. Blah 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 blah. Technical details.
Shush, they don't need to know that.
It came out of the mountain. That's why.
Oh,
It's spewed. Wow. Just what?
Oregon over there. Good day.
Yeah.
And welcome to the sights of Oregon.
Oregon.
Oregon. The kid left us in the dust, so that's okay. We shall call him Mini Scout. Scout ahead. Bye.
Bye. We're almost done with the trail.
See ya.
We'll see you again on October 2nd. Hopefully.
That
Yes.